Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your phone is updated and you have a chosen VPN account. Once done, open Settings and locate Network or Connections. Tap VPN to add a new profile. This is the first actionable step. Enter the provider name, server address, and your username and password from the service. Make sure VPN type matches provider instructions. Save the profile and do not connect yet. You'll test and tune next to ensure secure routing and proper DNS handling. Now you handle the complex middle steps. Choose the protocol recommended by your provider, WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for compatibility. Once you select it, add custom DNS if you need privacy or to bypass filters. Make sure DNS entries are correct. Configure split tunneling to exclude local apps if necessary, and set routing or proxy options per instructions. After saving, test the connection briefly. Check your IP and that key app's route through the VPN. If anything fails, finish by connecting and verifying. Tap Connect and watch for the VPN status icon. Once connected, confirm your IP and location changed using a trusted IP check and open the apps or sites you intended to secure. If you face issues, try a simple restart of the app or device, then switch protocol. Some networks block certain types. Make sure credentials and server address are exact. One key troubleshooting tip: enable logs in the VPN app to identify handshake or DNS errors and share them with support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.